In this video, I will show you how to create a Phantom wallet. To start creating your Phantom wallet, open the Phantom wallet extension in your web browser. Once you are in the Phantom wallet extension, locate and click on the Create a New Wallet option. This will initiate the process of setting up a new wallet for you to store your cryptocurrency assets. You will be prompted to set a password for a new wallet. Choose a strong and secure password. After creating your password, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of using the Phantom wallet. Then click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, you will be asked to select a secret recovery phrase from your wallet. This phrase is a series of words that serves as a backup in case you forget your password or need to recover your wallet. Make sure to keep this recovery phrase safe and secure and never share it with anyone else. After selecting your recovery phrase, you will need to confirm it by entering it again. This ensures that you have copied it down correctly and you can access it if needed in the future. Once confirmed, check the box indicating that you have saved your recovery phrase and click on the Continue button. Now that your wallet is set up, click on the Get Started button to begin using your Phantom wallet. Within the Phantom wallet extension, you can access various settings to customize your experience. Click on the extension icon. In the extension menu, locate the option to change the extension behavior. You may find an option like when you click the extension or similar. Choose your preferred behavior, such as opening the wallet interface when you click the extension icon and saving your changes. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.